Then pin to taskbar.
Okay.
Pin to taskbar. Okay, now it is there in the taskbar. So click on that. Okay, now let's start. Our first topic is
Okay.
assigning values to variable. Okay, write it. Give the hash mark. Hash is the comment line here in Python.
What is a variable?
Assigning 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 values to variable. Okay, this is the first topic. Okay, here hash means comment line. Okay, now enter. So now let me ask, what do you mean by variable? Anyone? So here variable means, let's say we are assigning some values, let's say a, b, c, d, and assigning some values. Okay, so let's say a equal to 10, b equal to high. Okay, so that is nothing but a variable we are assigning as a is a variable where you can store some value. Okay, that means what will happen internally, that it will take some memory space and create a block, kind of block, and there that name will be assigned as a, and in that block or in that bucket we can store 10 or some good morning or whatever you want. Okay, that is nothing but assigning a value to a variable. Okay, now let's do one small example. Let's say enter one more, enter. Right, a equal to 10, a equal to 10, enter. B equal to 10.5, C equal to good morning within single quote or double quote, whatever. And no need of bracket, only quote.
Okay.
Now enter one more time. Print A. Everybody can see the screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So first try to understand. I'll share this video. Maybe you can go through it again. Print B. Enter. Print B. Enter. Print C. Now right click and run. Execute this. Right click. Or you can do that. Right click, run class is there, right?
Achha.
Or else in the top corner there is a green button, that also you can do, or also down corner left side also you can do. Okay, or you can use the shortcut key. What is the shortcut key? Right click once. Shift F10 you can do. Okay, so you can see here what I am doing here, assigning values to a variable. The first topic is assigning values to a variable. So here variables are A, B, and C, and I am assigning A is a 10. 10 is nothing but a number. B equal to 10.5. That is nothing but a float or decimal. C equal to a string. Okay. So any string apart from number, any string you have to give single quote or double quote. Clear?
Oh, yes. Okay, sir.
Now you want to display those values present in that variable. For that you have to write print A, print B, print C.
Okay.
All clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now control A.
Sir?
Control A.
Control A.
Control X.
Yes, sir.
Go to document, open. And paste it here. So now this is one topic with one example. Okay.
Okay.
This is save it. Save as some Python note, something you can write. Okay, go to that document.
Which document, sir? Word.
Have you saved?
Yes, sir.
No, it's not saved. Save as go to desktop or wherever. Where you want to save it. Desktop.
Yes, sir.
Give some name.
Yes,
No,
sir.
give name as a Python notes. And save. Now it is saved. Okay. So going forward, if you ask me, provide me document, I can provide you n number of documents from Google. Also, you can get it, but that is no use. Okay. Now you are preparing your own document here. Okay.
Yes.
So now what you have to do, now this topic, you have to go to Google and search this topic. Whatever topic you are doing, this topic you search, and in the after this heading, you have to write some definition. Let's say assigning values to variable. What is variable? What do you mean by assigning values? Just one or two lines, because in interviewer they'll ask you, what do you mean by assigning values a variable? At least you should able to tell. Now you understood the concept, okay? But theory, at least you should know at least one line to tell in interview. That you have to write all the theories.
Okay.
Okay, at least after assigning values variable, you have to write 2-3 line theory. Then this is one example. Like that, if you want, you can do multiple examples. Then this topic is done. Okay. Now let's go to the next topic. Go to your this one. Okay. Now next topic is print. Print function.
Yes, sir.
So what exactly this print is? Print is nothing but to display. Okay. Enter. So here, let's say a equal to 10. Enter. One more time. So see why I'm giving this space, because the first paragraph is the comment line, second one is the you're declaring the variable section, and third one we're writing the code, whatever. Okay.
Okay.
If you don't give also fine, but this is the systematic and good practice. Now print a. Enter. Next line. Print within no space. Print within single quote a. When you are giving print, you have to give bracket. That is mandatory.
Okay.
No, if in PyCharm, if you give the first one, second one automatically will come bracket. Okay.
Okay.
Now enter. Print bracket start. Bracket you have to give by default. Okay. Within double quote a. Within double quote a. Enter. Print within bracket within double quote the value of a is 10. Sorry, the value of a is a. No, let it be 10. Let it be 10.
Okay.
Now next line. Print the value of a is come out of that. No. A is, no, don't give.
Okay.
Value of A is space. Come out of the double quote. Then, no, only double quote, comma A. Okay. Now, can you tell me what will be the output? Don't run it now. Just tell me what will get the first one.
10 will come, sir.
Print A means what will come?
10.
Second one.
Second will come A only, I think, because they given print function. So what we will give you, that will be exactly will come.
No, all are print function only.
Okay.
So here A without a double quote or single quote. Now A is single quote. Now A is double quote. Okay. Okay. Let's run it. Now I'll explain you. Run it. So can you see now?
Yes.
So we have taken a variable A equal to 10. Okay.
Yes.
Now print A. Print A means it will print the value of A. Okay.
Okay.
Remember, print A means that is a variable. So it will print the value of A.
Very good.
Now, second one is print A within quote. So when we are writing within single quote or double quote, no problem, whatever it may be, it will print as
Go
it
on.
is. As it is. If you
Yes,
write,
sir.
if you write elephant, tiger, whatever,
It will
within
print
within
the-
quote, it will consider as a string.
Okay.
Okay.
So it will print as it is. So that's why single quote and double quote, it is coming as it is AA. Now let's come to the fourth one. What it will come? The value of A is 10. Again, it is printing as it is because it is within the double quote.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Last one, the value of A is only this part is within double quote. So it is coming as it is.
Yes.
Now, comma A. Comma means you want to print multiple things, then you can give comma, comma, comma. Okay.
Okay.
So comma A. So it will print first the string as it is, then it will concat A. A means what? It will give the value of A.
Value.
Correct.
Okay.
So now you understood?
Sir,
Yes.
for one more example, if we have given a b and equal to 20, there is a value, okay?
Okay.
And at the last command, there is the value of a is, and we comma a. If we give comma b, so it will print as 10 and 20, right, sir?
Correct. Yeah, I will do that one also. Good question. Yeah. No, don't do now. Wait. So now, what is the difference between the fourth and fifth one? Both are coming same output, right?
Yes, sir. Because we can use
Yes,
on
sir.
the comma, the separator.
No.
This one.
Output is same. So, is there any difference? Then which
Yes,
one
sir.
is? Yeah, tell me, Masood.
First, the fourth one is like it's a like a command, like we just printing the same what we typed.
Correct. The last one.
And this last one is like we giving a comma there between to separate the command and the value, like because a is not in the double quote, right, sir?
Okay. So, which one you prefer to? I mean, when you need this?
Yes, sir. Fifth one will prefer, sir.
Okay. Let's change the value of A equal to 100. Make it 100.
Okay.
Now run it. Now see the difference.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So here the value of the variable changed to 100. So it will affect to A, the first one and last one, not the other
Yes.
one. Why?
Yes.
Because it is within the code. That means
Yeah.
it will print as it is. It does not
Yes.
matter whether you are changing or not changing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but your print function.
Okay.
Now we'll continue print function. As you told, give b equal to 20. Now another statement, right? The value of a and b.
Okay. Can you give here, sir?
You
Comma.
you can write it here, comma b. The value of a and b is A and B is comma, no, not there, out of A comma B. Remove the above one, remove that B from the above one. Now run it. So like that you can give comma, comma to print all this thing. Okay, one more thing, right? Print 1, 2, 3. Print 1, 2, 3. Run it. It will print 1, 2, 3. Again, right? Print 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir. Here.
No, again, one more line down. No, next line. So you understood 1, 2, 3 means it will print whatever. Right? 1, 2, 3, comma, SEP equal to hyphen. SEP equal to within quote hyphen.
Sir, hyphen.
Run it. Whatever you want to give me, no problem. Run it. So here if you see, I am telling separated by colon. This is colon. So if you want to separate it by this thing in colon, you can give this. Okay. Now write one more thing.
Yes.
Same thing. Copy the print till separator. You copy a whole line.
Okay.
Paste it. Again give comma and no. Control Z. Before the close bracket give comma. END equal to full stop. END equal to within quote full stop. Run it. Suppose you want to end with full stop, you can give like this. So this is all about your print statement. So any doubt till now? So here separator and end are two another parameter that you can pass here. If you want to separate with something, each individual, and if you want to end with something, you can give it.
Okay.
Any doubt in print, Mohan or Masood?
So in the 7th print, like a print 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. So we didn't mention that in quotes, right, sir? Like,
no, that's why it is a number.
Okay. So if it is alpha.
Yeah, if you give quote also it will print, but that will consider as a character.
Okay, sir. Okay, that's all.
Anyone? Any questions till now? You can cut and paste it on, cut and paste it to your document. No, don't give, no.
Yes,
What happened?
No, I will give some. That's why I given some passage.
No, don't give space. When you are preparing document that time,
Okay.
you can give no problem.
Okay.
See, this is one example we are doing. So you can write some theory for each topic, and if you want, you can do. This is example 1. You can do multiple examples also. You'll get many examples. Okay. So like this, we will continue. Okay, but you have to after this maybe when you get time, you have to practice. Otherwise, you won't get. So that it will be. I mean, you get more example. You'll be acquainted with the more things. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we'll go to the next topic. Okay. So I think it is going to disconnect.
Yes, sir. 4 minutes.